Hello, what's up, everybody? Welcome to Zodic TV, the hotspot of Amapiano and everything you need to know about this beautiful genre using FL Studio. And for my returning subscribers, welcome back. You know the drill. We've been dropping tutorials weekly, and if you just came across my channel, do hit the subscribe button and like, and you'll be notified when I drop new tutorials. Without further ado, let's get into the project. And our tutorial for today is about how to make the Mozambique type of Sgija of Amapiano. That's just the instrumental one that has a lot of instruments and percussions, but I'm going to show you how to actually also make the effects on the percussions. So listen to the last clip. So yeah guys, that's it, and I'll be showing you how to make the kick drum and the percussion. So this is the kick and the percussion. I added some effects to the percussion, and I will show you how to add some effects on your percussion to make it sound exactly like this. So now I just added a second pattern to make it bounce a little bit. I hope you're following through. And then now I just added some more percussion, but added it and layered it twice. And it goes like this on the piano roll also. And then now I just added another conga, and it also has effects. If you can see everything, there is a 4/4. I put it on the 4th channel. And another one, percussion, just to add some more bounce. Add some more bounce, add some more bounce to it. Now I added a bassline for using some FL Studio plugins. This is how the bassline goes. It should be a bit raw. And this is a plugin I use. And this one just goes like this. Just a simple 3-note bass line, just to add on top of that one. It goes like this, only 3 notes, and I used this plugin for that one. And I just added a pad just to make everything get together in the background. Just 2 notes also, just playing through the whole thing. Only 2 notes. And this is the plugin I used also on it. And to the next pattern, just added some percussion, and I added a bango and 2 congas just to layer them up and make it bouncy. And this one I added a sub bassline, just going through, just grooving after the one that I played before. It goes like this. Okay, it has to be bouncy, and then I added it with a lock drum and layered them together. And I did another pattern and just layered it with an open lock drum, just to make it sound more harder. It sounds like this, and this is how I made it. And don't forget, it doesn't hit on each note. It goes only once, twice, and 3 times over there in here. And the next pattern, I added more percussion, and I'll be showing you how I did the percussion at the end of the video, so stay tuned. Just hit twice when the beat is climaxing, and then I added another percussion just to add a more effect to the bounce, and then machine just to make it move. And the new plugin I just found, I just added it on just to add a melody on top. And this is the plugin I used. It's called Hive in Huhi. I show you guys how to download some plugins and some packs in a couple next videos. And I added another percussion, just 2 congas, pitched them down, and just made a simple pattern like that. And that's how I made the drums. And then let's get into the shakers. That's how the shakers were sounding. Just a simple shaker that's going to play the whole song, to carry the whole song. And then I'm going to show you also the transition effects that I used. I used a couple of them. You see that you must layer these things up so they can make a better transition, so that it makes the song change like every 8 bars. Make sure the song change every 8 bars. You add another new element. So now I'm just going to EQ out the sub and the kick from this loop. So I don't want the bass and the kick to clash. So I'm just going to EQ it out while the plugin is loading. Yeah, I'm going to use parametric EQ to do this, and I'm just going to take the lows down, take them down until the mids, until we have a clean sound. Let's listen to it alone. Yep, sounds fine to me. So this is another effect. My favorite one. Now let's add some delay to it so that it crosses over nicely. The transition is important, guys. Do not forget, and do not forget to subscribe. So I'm adding a delay to it. This will be fine for the settings. Yes. Let me just reduce the volume. And now it's ready. Let's play the whole damn thing. And thank you for tuning in. Please do hit the subscribe button and like if you've learned something and found this video very valuable. And stay tuned till the end so you can see how the percussions are made. Thank you for watching until the end of the video. Now I'm going to show you how the percussions were made. Let's start by listening to them, and I'm just going to eliminate the effects so you can hear them without the effects, because I used only a few effects and it's very easy. I'm just gonna show you how I did it. Now I started adding flangers, because everything here was just FL Studio plugins, flangers, and then I just made sure that the dries are still went up so that it retains its own sound, but then add a little bit of it for the effect. And then the next one I added was a phaser. No, was a flanger, so that it made the percussions when they hit sound very weird and loud, like it's metallic. And then the next one I added was a parametric EQ, and made sure that the mid lows and the mid highs, see, the mid lows and the mid highs are peaking so that the drum can really slap, so you can hear it very clearly, so you can cut through the mix. The other one I added was a reverb. You might not think it's important, but it is. So I added a reverb. Look at the size, just very small size, and then I added a decay to it and the size of it, and then I cut off the lows, and then decrease the weight a little bit so it doesn't sound very mushy. And the last one I added was a compressor to make sure that everything was hitting on the same level and had a slap to it. You can hear it now that it has a bit more powerful slap to it. Let's listen to it, to all of the effects at once. Yes, and as I said, guys, thank you for subscribing, thank you for watching, and thank you for watching till the end of the video. And what I'm gonna do for you is just save the preset up and give it out for free. You can just go to the description below and you'll see my contact details. Contact me there, and everything will be there in the description below. Thank you. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and like the video and leave a comment down below. Thank you for watching. This is Zodiac TV.